What is up, everyone? It is Michelle Alexandria coming at you with another look at my TCL TV. I finally got the settings dialed in, and I promise I'm not going to do too many more videos on this TV. I need to get back to my regular scheduled content, and I need to get some interviews uploaded in the next couple of days. But I wanted to give you an update. Best Buy has solved the issue. I'm getting a new Hisense H9F next Friday, but I still want to play with this TCL a bit. I finally got the settings dialed in last night, and now I'm really enjoying this TV a lot more than I originally did. There's still a weird haze on this TV when you're switching between content and between channels, and I still don't like the Roku system. It just feels like a system shoehorned in to the TV. But otherwise, I'm really liking the picture quality now. I need to watch some more HD videos on my Panasonic to see what's going on with that. But so far, I'm kind of liking it. So I just want to give you guys a quick demo of what the picture quality looks like now that I have it dialed in. The blacks on this TV are pretty darn amazing. Now that I have everything dialed in a bit. And like I said, there's still a slight haze, but it's not as bad as it was before. And I may show you my settings at some point. And later today, thanks to the kind folks at Activision, I have a code for Modern Warfare. So I'm going to be playing a little bit of that so you could judge the motion of the gameplay for yourself. So anyway, let me clear my throat. So anyway, let me just play like 2 minutes of this TCL 4K HDR demo. And And here's the standard 4K HDR black demo. Again, this is the TCL R615, and the blacks and everything looks fantastic on this demo. There's no bloom or anything, no flashlighting. I can only imagine how much better this 625 is. I'm starting to think maybe I should call Best Buy and tell them to bring me the 625, but I won't. The problem is there's still that haze on this picture. I miss Modern Wise. They used to be such a great channel. Don't know what happened to that guy. But here, I'm going to run the LED killer test that they did a couple of years ago on this panel. So let's take a look and see how well it does. Let me know what you get, what you think. Again, this is the TCL R615. But you notice the haze around the picture, around the screen, but look at that. Look at those. There's no, bloom or anything on that trail. There's no bloom or anything on that trail. Nothing in the black bars.